Dear Mac user, one of the things that is very important as an exercise in regards to cybersecurity is to make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Being updated means that it has the latest security patches, and often quite a number of people don't know if their computers are up to date or not. And we just want to show you a simple way of checking to make sure at least your computer is up to date. You can come to this place, type here to search, and all you have to do is type Windows Update Settings. Comes up and you click, then it opens up. As you can see, it says updates available, and it last checked this today at 14 minutes past 9. You can see it's downloading and the status says it's installing. Second one, it's pending install. It will be installed. So that is how you check to make sure that your computer is up to date. You can download this link here, download and install, or see what's in this update. But those really are for technical people. But that's the simplest way to make sure your computer is up to date. We encourage every user, be it a smartphone, be it a computer, a laptop, a desktop, make sure that your computer is updated. This will protect your data, and it will also protect other users on the network that we are all on. We thank you. Let us be vigilant and let us continue building for the future.